ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. അപ്പോൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്ക് നമ്മുടെ തിങ്കിങ് സോഷ്യോളജിക്കിലെ അടുത്ത സെക്ഷനാണ്. ഇൻ വാട്ട് വേ സോഷ്യോളജി ലുക്സ് അറ്റ് റിയാലിറ്റി മീൻസ് ദ ഹ്യൂമൻ വെറൈറ്റി. The historical reality tells us that there is variety of social system and social structure, and the first or foremost task in comparing them is to keep an unbiased attitude. A sociological perspective puts all the society on the same scale in terms of value and only degrade them in a structural term like complexity and demography. Social scientist has been concerned more about the economy and political institution historically that we know that we already discussed above, and these have given helpful insight into the working of society and its institution. Social structure can be defined differently, but the basic understanding it is the combination of institution classified according to the function of each performance. In contemporary times, social structure is seen as a political state. The nation state dominates the world and life of every man. Contemporary sociology cannot extricate itself from the study of nation state and how the power of the nation state permits society. Right? In studying society, the sociology also conquer the social anthropologists who take it also the study of society. The economists too study social relation. നമുക്കറിയാം ഏതൊരു സബ്ജക്റ്റ് എടുത്ത് എന്ത് പഠിച്ചാലും നമ്മൾ സമൂഹത്തിനെ പറ്റിയുള്ള ഒരു അറിവ്, അതിപ്പോൾ എക്കണോമിക്സ് ആവട്ടെ, സോഷ്യോളജി ആവട്ടെ, ആന്ത്രോപോളജി ആവട്ടെ, എന്ത് തന്നെ ആയാലും there should be a study of society or sociology. Economists do study the social relationship. Contemporary economists also deeply embedded the social relations and norms of value of society and thus have similar interests in sociologists. The political scientists also study society and its power relationship, and at contemporary times there is a lot of convergence between the sociology and political science. It is understood that the variety in social life has enabled the social scientists to divine the work, right? നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ social life has enabled the social scientists to divine the work. There is a mutuality in disciplines, true there might be a disagreement, as well as the respect that all disciplines have originated in their own way. അത് നമുക്കറിയാം. All disciplines are originated from their own way. അതാരും ആരെയും പഠിപ്പിക്കേണ്ട. Even though there is an interesting acceptance of disciplines overriding each other, there is also an acceptance and the disciplines have influenced each other. Sorry for the interruption. There is also an acceptance that disciplines have influenced each other. So here we are explaining woman, values and actions. The values originate from the culture and the received wisdom of generation. ഇതൊന്നും മലയാളം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ അത് മനസ്സിലാവും. They may changes to some extent which wider social interaction, but some cover the value always remain. The shift in value may affect the way in which a person aspires of certain goals. Of example, one may grow up with putting a high value on the education, but later in life it may shift towards the higher value towards acquisition of wealth. Some actions are justified automatically by internalized value, do not involve any attempt as making a choice. Others may be debited as one comes under outside influence. But നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് ഇൻസൈഡ് ആവാം, ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് ആവാം. Some may be good in education, some may be after some time they will create the concentration, they will vary the concentration from education to making money, like an economic development. Okay. This all happened because of the influence of ourselves or from the outers. A person is more likely to be affected and undergo a change in value by someone having more authority, either person or institution. For an example, a teacher in a school or a political institution, right? A teacher should be a more important person who can influence the student. The more legitimacy a source has, a greater influence is likely to have. Legitimacy is bestowed by society. The traditional value hold legitimacy which is time tested. The traditional have a historical context and trust. The acceptance of such value hold more authority that the recent one who has to prove themselves, and in time of change the form hold ground firmly. What is at stake is the defense required for new values to make a place amidst the traditional value. Amidst traditional value, the person with charisma can only forge ahead with a new value in comparison with ordinary people. Initiating, initiating something new and getting it accepted. The legitimate source can change over time. Such change from the religion pressures of television personalities. Thus, Max Weber has identified three types of authority: the traditional, the charismatic, and legal rational. The third type of legal rational one are those who have the legal rights and rational legitimate source to deliver their authority. For example, a person has to prove his or her ability to become a judge in a legal court. But once appointed, the opinion of the judge has finally authority. അത് നമുക്കറിയാം. ഒരു a person who has the right to cover up with the rights and duties, or he should have to prove the legal power. Once he become a judge, he have the right to control all the details, right? So നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്ക് സെക്ഷനായിട്ട് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തുടങ്ങാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.